Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I am doing a Happy Planner Plan With Me video, and I have already filmed a video with my setup. So if you're interested to see how I set up my new planner, please click on the video if it's available. I don't know what I'm going to share first. So I will be decorating my July spread in my July dashboard and my July monthly, and I'm going to use this sticker book for these to plan with me. And I might also use stickers from this mini pad and this mini pad, because I like the little stickers it has in it. So let's see what's going to happen with this plan with me. Okay, so what I've done is I don't really have that many things going on because of lockdown. The UK is still, shops are shut and we're not going any holidays or anything. So I put some leopard print washi tape, and because here Notes and Ideas, I'm starting a job that's quite intense during the summer. So I really need to remember that I need to do one thing at a time. And I had a little extra space here, so I just added that little heart. And now I'm going to write down all the things, the important dates for my job. So I'm going to try to find a page or a flag or something where I can say what I'm going to do. Maybe one of these boxes or something. Let's see, what can I do? Which one shall I use? This is a really nice sticker book. It's the Stay Wild, I think, sticker book. Maybe one of these. Yeah, I'll put this one. I'll use this one and put it there. And just write down things I want to do for my summer job, which starts probably on the 6th of July. So I'll centralize it here somewhere. And sorry if you see the top of my head, but I'm partially sighted, so it's a bit hard for me to see things. I'm going to just try to make sure that it's straight, and then I will proceed. So just to make sure, you're probably seeing the top of my head with all my nice grey hairs. So I think this is straight. Right. So I'm going to add all my work things. Is that straight? It looks kind of straight, I think. Hang on, let me pause and check. Wah, 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 wah. I checked if it was straight and I ripped it. So I'm not going to use this one, I guess. Need to find a different one then. I'll go with this one. So I shall put this one here. I'm going to pause. I'm going to put this one now. I'm going to pause though so I can put it correctly, just to make sure that it's all right and no mistakes are made. So pause. Okay, so I added priorities. I added that little heart flag, and I added this quote here, the don't stress, because it's going to be a stressful month for me. Now, what else shall I add? Be brave, darling. I kind of like this. I like this, be brave, but where would I put it? Maybe up here. There's no gold on this spread, so I hope this is gold. Just put that there. Probably seeing the top of my head. Sorry guys, I can't see. Is that straight? Or is it complete? Oh, the thing about these stickers is that they're hard to peel. So I don't know, have they changed the quality in their sticker books? but I'm just scared. I hope I don't rip it. I'm guessing you're thinking, oh, I hope she doesn't rip it. I didn't rip it. Woohoo. So let's try again. Top of my head, I guess. Sorry, folks. There we go. Oh, no. I'm going to pause. Okay, so there have been some changes. I took off the 2 little boxes because I didn't like them. I added this, and this sticker is from this sticker book. I don't even know what it's called, but this is what the outside of it looks like. Where do you see the names? Can you just let me know? I think Color Story. I think that's what it's called. And then I used a couple of stickers. So the typewriter and this one, which is Inhale the Future, Exhale the Past, is from this, the Glam Girl accessory book. And these 2 love hearts are from them. And I'm liking it. And now I'm just going to put, and I think this one, focus on 3. This is either from the Glam one, I forgot, or from this one. So I'm just going to fill it in and show you what it looks like in a minute. There you go. Okay, so I wrote down my pre-sessional course, all the important dates, and because this is a very intense course, I wrote down things that I should prioritize during this course: stay healthy, sleep well, do not stress, delegate activities. My focus on top 3 during July is my diet, and then I want to save money. This is something I always write. I'm not very good at it, but I try. And I also want to get really focused on meditating. And then important dates, I have pre-sessional start. I have Deirdre moving to where she moves. And my friend Marina's name day. And I haven't written the date because I want to check it out first. I think we celebrate name days because I'm Orthodox and Greek. We celebrate them. And I think Aya Marina is on the 17th of July or the 14th of July. Some date in July. I'm going to fill that in. I think I should put something here, or maybe I shouldn't. Less is more, Joe. Let's not do anything else. So I'm going to put this in my planner, and then I'm going to do the July spread. So I think you need a cup of coffee probably. If you're still here, thanks for being here. Okay, so now let's do the July layout. I think I'm going to use this one, the Glam Girl again, and the Stay Wild on my spread. I think I'm just going to write bills, important dates. That's it, because I don't have anything else to write. So bills, important dates. Yay, let's go. Let me think. What am I going to start with? So I've started, hang on, is it in there? There it is. So I put the Be Brilliant from the Stay Wild thing, and this was longer, but again, I made a boo-boo. I got this leopard thingy from the Glam Girl planner. So what I'm going to do now is going to write everything that I'm going to pay and all that, like my bills and stuff, and then I'm going to start sticking in stickers, or actually I'm going to stick in stickers where I have important dates. You'll see what I mean. I know I didn't make sense, but I will. Sorry about the light, but it's getting darker and darker. Anyway, so let me show you what I've done. I've added little boxes from the Stay Wild. I really like them because you can see the date. And I added a quote here and just some boxes here and a sticker here. I'm going to try to fill in and put more decor. So that's what I'm going to look at. I think I want to put something from this sticker book. I really like the girls they have in here. Where are they? And I want to use it because that would be good. Where are the girls? Last page. I think maybe I could fit one here somewhere, and maybe one of these. I don't know, I'll see. Let me see. What can I stick here? Shall I put a big one? What do I do? Big one or little one? how much space do I have? Let's see. Space-wise, I think I should go with the big one. Or maybe the little one. The little one will be short. I'm short. I should go with the little one. The big one will go out of the boxes. The little one doesn't fit. I'll use the little one, I think. So I'm going to put this one in, in here, because I ain't doing anything. I'll put her here. There you go. They're not very straight, but I'm not going to take it off because, and maybe stick these, what are they, Glam Girl stickers here. I'll just take out a Glam Girl because we're glam. I'll stick that Glam Girl there. Even though I'm still paying bills, but I don't know. Now, what shall I put here? I'm going to see my friend. So let's go coffee. And what else is going to be a pretty one? I'll put this one. The splendid one. You'll see it. I can see it. You can probably just see my hand. And then I'm going to tell you to subscribe to my channel. You're going to be like, yeah, why? Because we only see like half the things you're doing. But I know. I hear you. So I'm going to put this one in the middle here. It's going to cover one of my dates. Ah! That's a bit not centralized. I really think though that the Stay Wild stickers, yeah, the quality is, they're really beautiful, but you can't really unstick them. They're not very unstickable. So I don't know. This one isn't sticking where I want it either. And you're probably seeing now the top of my head, which is not a cool look. But what can I do? Okay, that'll do. I'll fix it in a minute. Okay, progress has been made. So I put little shoes here, eyelashes, the Splendid, a lipstick, coffee, the girls stickers. I think I might add a few more boxes or sayings, and then I'll just finish off. I think I should put something down there. But what? Let's just put this maybe here. Big dream. Big dream. Sideways. And what else can I put in this? I want to put an appointment one or something. But I don't know if I can find. Let's just add, because this is going to be the irony. I'm just going to add this sticker and say that I have an appointment, which I probably won't get, but I'll just put it that I call to get an appointment for a hairdresser, guys. Because as you can see, my hair needs dyeing and cutting. So I'm going to fill this in and I'm going to show you what I have and finalize this spread, because it's going to be dark soon. So I filled in all my dates, all my important things for July, and I think I'm not going to add any more stickers. I like the white space. I like the way it turned out. What did you think? What do you guys think? Maybe I could put a little bit of washi tape down here. Maybe not. It's getting dark and I don't have good light anymore. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Trying to reach 500 subscribers. It would be great if you supported my channel. I'll see you in my next video. My videos are beauty related, planner related, vlogs, recipes, plus size fashion. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up, follow my channel, and follow me on Instagram as well. I'm at mypinkrambles. I've got a blog called mypinkrambles. I'm on Twitter, mypinkrambles. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Sorry about the lighting. Yeah, I started early, but now it's nighttime.